Hello kids. Welcome to M&M Happy Kids channel.
Let's learn names of emergency vehicles. These amazing vehicles rush fast to help people, stop fires, save lives, and keep us safe.
Kids, are you ready? Let's go.
Yay!
It's a police car.
Police car.
Police car rushes through the streets with flashing lights to protect people and keep everyone safe.
Yay!
It's a SWAT truck.
SWAT truck.
The SWAT truck is big and very strong. Police use it for special and dangerous missions.
Yay!
It's a police van.
Police van.
The police van carries many police officers and important tools to the emergency place.
Yay!
It's a fire truck.
Fire truck.
The fire truck is a firefighters ride in it with water, ladders, and tools. It rushes fast with loud sirens to put out fires and rescue people.
Yay!
It's an ambulance.
Ambulance.
The ambulance moves very fast with sirens to help sick or injured people and take them safely to the hospital.
Yay!
It's a firefighting helicopter.
Firefighting helicopter.
The firefighting helicopter flies high and drops water to stop big fires from spreading.
Yay!
It's an air ambulance plane.
Air ambulance plane.
The air ambulance plane flies quickly across long distances to save people in critical need.
Yay!
It's a rescue helicopter.
Rescue helicopter.
The rescue helicopter lifts people from mountains, oceans, or dangerous places to safety.
Yay!
It's a rescue boat.
Rescue boat.
The rescue boat speeds on the water to save people who are stuck or in trouble.
Yay!
It's a Coast Guard boat.
Coast Guard boat.
The Coast Guard boat rescues people from drowning, helps boats in trouble, and protects seaboarders.
Yay!
It's a tow truck.
Tow truck.
The tow truck helps broken or damaged vehicles by pulling them to a safe place.
Yay!
It's a fire rescue hovercraft.
Fire rescue hovercraft.
The fire rescue hovercraft can move on water, mud, ice, and land. Firefighters use it during floods to rescue people quickly.
Yay!
It's a police motorcycle.
Police motorcycle.
The police motorcycle moves very fast and easily through traffic. Police use it to control traffic and reach emergencies first.
Yay!
It's a fire chief car.
Fire chief car.
The fire chief car carries the fire chief who leads firefighters during emergencies.
Yay!
It's a ladder truck.
Ladder truck.
The ladder truck has very long ladder that go. Firefighters use it to rescue people from tall buildings and put out fires.
Yay!
It's a hazmat truck.
Hazmat truck.
The hazmat truck handles dangerous chemicals, gas, and toxic materials, and keeps people safe from spills.
Yay!
It's a hospital ship.
Hospital ship.
The hospital ship is a big floating hospital that treats sick and injured people at sea emergencies.
Yay!
It's a firefighting drone.
Firefighting drone.
The firefighting drone flies high to spot fires and help firefighters plan and stay safe during big fires.
Yay!
It's a water bomber plane.
Water bomber plane.
The water bomber plane flies over forests and drops lots of water to stop big fires.
Yay!
It's an airport fire truck.
Airport fire truck.
The airport fire truck is very big and powerful. It protects airplanes and puts out fires at airports.
Yay!
It's a mobile ICU.
Mobile ICU.
The mobile ICU is a special hospital machines to treat very sick patients while moving to the hospital.
Yay!
It's a bariatric ambulance.
Bariatric ambulance.
Bariatric ambulance is a strong equipment and made to safely carry heavy patients.
Yay!
It's an ambulance boat.
Ambulance boat.
An ambulance boat moves on rivers and seas and carries sick or injured people from water areas to hospitals.
Yay!
It's a patrol boat.
Patrol boat.
The patrol boat uses police to watch rivers, lakes, and coastal waters, and helps stop crime and keeps the water safe.
Yay!
It's a K9 unit vehicle.
K9 unit vehicle.
The K9 unit vehicle carries trained police dogs that help in rescue and find people, drugs, and missing items.
Yay!
It's a police bicycle.
Police bicycle.
The police bicycle helps officers move easily in parks and crowded places.
Yay!
It's an ambulance bus.
Ambulance bus.
An ambulance bus carries many patients together during big emergencies.
Yay!
It's a patrol jeep.
Patrol jeep.
The patrol jeep drives on rough roads to keep areas safe and protected.
Yay!
It's a lifeguard jeep.
Lifeguard jeep.
The lifeguard jeep drives along beaches to watch swimmers and help people in danger.
Yay!
It's a ranger patrol car.
Ranger patrol car.
The ranger patrol car, used in forests and national parks to protect animals, trees, and keep nature safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.